In this video, I'll show you how to autolyse your dough. You do this because this strengthens the gluten network. And the ingredients you want to use to autolyse your dough is water, salt, and the flour. Then mix everything together, and I usually wait for around 2 hours, but a minimum of 15 minutes is advised to autolyse your dough. Sometimes I even do this overnight, but then I let the dough rest in the fridge. So put everything together, stir it a little bit, not too much, and then just let the dough rest for the time you want it to rest. Only then afterwards you will want to add your sourdough starter to it, or yeast or whatever. So this is a very important process, a very important step to develop dough strength. I added all the ingredients, and now all I have to do is stir. This takes around 2 minutes. Don't do any stretch and folds. You just want to stir this a little bit. That's it, around 2 minutes have passed. This is how my dough looks like right now. Now just cover it with something so it doesn't lose any hydration, and then wait, and then proceed with a regular bake.